So hey, this is Young 256. With me everything is possible. Okay, many of you ask yourself, how do people control their phones using their PCs? How do they connect their phones to their PCs like you can control your phone on your PC? It is very easy. So let's dive into the video without wasting any time. Remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and still if you want to donate anything, just contact me down below. Okay, let's dive into the video. So what you're going to do, you're going to open any browser of yours. Okay, you type that word SC, it's called Scrapy, something like that. SCRCPY. You enter. So you're going to click the first link. Okay, depending on your system, you click download. So depending on your system, you're going to download the software that is of your system. If you don't know how to look on or what is your system, just come of course to Windows, go to settings. Okay, go to system. Okay, slope down to about. Okay, so you're going to see what your system is. Mine is 64 bit, yours can be 34. So we are going to download the 64 bit. Okay, let's download it. Sure. Okay, I want to use IDM while downloading, so I think it's going to face effects. Okay, script files, download the latest version, the zip. Okay, your download will start shortly. Okay, follow the steps properly, trust me, it's going to work for you. If you don't follow them properly, it won't work for you. Okay, let me find someone to save them. Actually, let me create something new here and call it phone. Okay, let me save what I've downloaded. So this is not the only software you're going to download. Okay, you're going to also download the sorry you're going to download the what, so you're also going to download the SDK platform tools. Okay, you're going to type in this word SDK, then you click the first link you get. So we click the first link, slope, download SDK platform tools for Windows. You download. Okay, slope down, follow the steps, you agree to the terms, and then download. Make sure you read the terms, it's very important. Still, let me also save it in phones and then download. Okay, it's downloading. As it's downloading, remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel, that is Young 256. With me everything is possible. I give you the best. After making my best research, I give the best methods to use. Okay, let me first pause and then come back when the download is completing. So now the downloads are done. Okay, so these are our downloads. So we are going to extract them. Okay, first of all, remember to calm down to and then disable. First disable your real-time protection. You know how to get it. Okay, if you don't know, you can ask me. So let's extract all of them, and then extract here. Okay, and extract. Okay, and then let's also extract this. Extract. So these are the files we've extracted. You see them? Okay, and also this one. You get my point? Alright, so let me hope you're following the video. Remember to subscribe. Please follow this video carefully. Your screen is going to be shared automatically. So after extracting all this, you're going to come and copy these files. The files in copy something. What is hard for me, you copy them. Okay, come back to our folder, the platform tools, some folder, paste all of them. and then replace. So what the next step here is, you're going to connect your Android phone. Okay, you're not going to be able to see my Android phone for now until we finish the video. You're not going to see my so when you connect your Android phone, make sure you come up where they display the USB options, and then make sure you click on transfer files Android auto something. That is what you click, and then you also enable USB debugging. How do you enable USB debugging? I'm going to show you that in the video. Let me first I'm going to show you when you're seeing the screen. So here what you're going to do, you're going to run something here. Okay, after let me say you've debugged. If you don't know how to debug, to enable USB debugging, you just skip, you say I will do it, and then you come back in a few seconds. So after doing that, well, we come back to our folder where we pasted the other thing. Make sure you're in that folder and press shift plus right click. Then you're going to come to open PowerShell window here. So when you click PowerShell window, you're going to put this command. Let me copy it for you. Let me show you. Okay, you're going to copy this command. You type it. It's so when it is connected, you see the device. This is below. You can see it. So that is my device. I think you can see it. After seeing the device connected, I will just so let's go to that. We are still in the folder. I will come to this application. Open it. Scroll down, and then it is going to display the screen. So this is my screen. Access your phone via PC. With that, I sign out.